What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the Bench in the Backyard. My name is Jordan, and this is my raft procumbens. Or it's going to be my raft procumbens. I'm not sure if it has actually started to throw roots down here. We'll find that out either next year or the year after. I can dig down. I do see some root, some new fresh root. So it is starting to put out roots. Awesome. What we're going to be doing today is cleaning out these branches and see if we can't form some pads. Um, Figure out something to do with this branch. We could either bring it up. Oh, I guess I should go ahead and say why I'm only cleaning it out today. I'm going to be down at the October meeting of the Atlanta Bonsai Society, and this is one of the trees that I'm going to be bringing to work on during the workshop. So if y'all are members, I'll see you there. If not, then I'll see if they'll let me video me just doing this. I don't want to put anybody else on the spot that doesn't want to be on the spot. But see if they'll let me video it. If not, I'll just come and show it to you when I get back. But yeah, so we're going to be working on this today, cleaning out all of these branches, anything that's growing underneath. I mean, a lot of these are going to be coming up, so we kind of want some of those bottom branches. We're just going to go in, clean up a bunch of this, and see where that puts us. doesn't look super different on video. Well, you can kind of tell right here. But you can actually see through this a lot better. And like I said, this is going to be a raft. So what we're going to be doing is bringing most of this up, or actually probably bring this up. Might drop this down and turn this branch into a cascade that maybe comes around towards the front and drops down like this. Bring this up, this stuff over here up. But yeah, we'll figure all that out once we start wiring it out and getting stuff placed where we want it. But yeah, so like I said, I'm going to be at the October meeting of the Atlanta Bonsai Society. It's like a 2-hour drive for me. That's it. My choices were Atlanta Bonsai Society or Bonsai Society of the Carolinas. Atlanta is 2 hours away. Charlotte is 2 hours. I mean, I'm smack dab right in the middle of basically everywhere. I'm like 2.5 hours from Asheville, 2 hours from Columbus. I mean, it's just this little spider web coming out from us. So, but yeah, this is one of the trees that I'll be working on there. Just had to come in, make sure we got it all cleaned out, save a little bit of time, and it'll just be a big wiring storm while I'm there. And yeah, so I did see a root up here at the tip. There's probably roots back here. I haven't seen, maybe. Haven't seen any roots coming out of the sides. Nothing growing out of the bottom yet, but I mean, it's the first year that it's been in this little basket, so I'm not really surprised about that. But as we, I do have a few roots that have thickened up a little bit up here. So hopefully we get a few more, and some of these will be saved and kind of sticking up above the soil. Otherwise, we'll just come in, shave it down. Oh, there's a bit of shari up in there. I must have scraped it when I was unwiring, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, so if you liked what you saw today, go ahead, subscribe, throw me a like down low. If you didn't like what you saw, leave a comment down below. Let me know what I can do different. Let me know how I can make my trees better, videos better, all of that fun jazz. And I mean, I can't learn if you don't tell me what I'm doing wrong. So until the next time I see y'all out at the bench in the backyard, just remember to grow them big, but keep them small.